When we moved to Carini, Sicily, we didn't need a big house, just a place that felt like home. The neighborhood and area were very important to us. Our little cottage gave us more than we expected, and today we're inviting you inside. Stick around because the outdoor kitchen might be our favorite transformation yet. Welcome to our cottage in 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗶, Sicily. This is where we spend a lot of time. And I'm going to go through and tell you what things we bought and what things were here. We bought that storage rack with the baskets. We put garlic and onions and potatoes and things like that. 𝗘'𝗷'S's favorite chairs right here. We bought that recliner. But it was a fully furnished cottage. And above the sink, we love to do dishes because there's a drip rack up there. All we do is wash and rinse, and then everything drips. So I don't have to wait for things to dry and then put them away. We do have a 𝗙𝗵𝗱𝗲 under the sink. That is for the cooktop. It's the only gas we use in the house. Everything else is fully electric. And then behind the cabinets, we have our refrigerator freezer. It's a good size. We buy everything locally and go shopping several times a week, so we don't need to store a lot every day. So it's plenty big for us. And everything on this counter over here, we pretty much bought. The microwave we bought, the kettle, the American coffee pot, the espresso machine, and the sugar container, we bought those. The curtains hide the recycling system, and we have all of our organic and plastic and paper and storage napkins, plastic bags, things like that. And then over to the right, we have, we have plastic and all of our water and some things under there. So it really is quite spacious for our storage. So we love sitting at this table. Lots of natural light. Then in our living room, this couch opens up into a full-size bed. We bought that coat rack. I thought it was really nice. It went with the theme, with the silver and grays. And as a kid, I used to love dandelions, so I got that picture. All the pictures we bought ourselves. The TV was here. We bought the plants and the knickknacks. We love the wood ceiling, all the wooden beams. Bedrooms are back here, bathroom. This is our bathroom. Got a shower, toilet, bidet, and sink. Hot water heaters, electric. It's plenty big for us, that's for sure. Nice big shower. And we bought a bamboo corner storage rack that is perfect for the things we need to have on hand. This is our small bedroom. And originally I had my office in here with my desk and computer and everything, but we bought a single bed to make this into a bedroom. If we're paying rent for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms. This dresser was here. This big 𝗬𝗷𝗶𝗶𝗶 is so convenient to store everything. We have our luggages up top, but lots of good natural light. Chair, nightstand, lamp, everything you could want. Little nook to hold stuff that we're not using. Currently it has a little electric heater, but we really like this small room. Okay, to the right is the master bedroom, and this is a combination master bedroom with office. So I situated the room to where the bed, dresser, and nightstand are on the right, and then I have a divider to separate the office area. Big 𝗬𝗷𝗶𝗶𝗶. Lots of natural light. Here's my work area. All my equipment, battery backup. Little nook for the ironing board, vacuum cleaner, heaters, and fan and such. But lots and lots of space and storage. We really love our little cottage. We bought the pictures and the dividing screen and the hearts and the things hanging up. But it's very functional and we're very blessed and comfortable here. Painting the kitchen table for the outside kitchen. He already sanded everything. He's putting the anti-rust treatment on right now. It looks like it's a gray paint, but it's not. It's anti-rust. And then this is the underside of the marble, but the marble table is white, right, like that, and it's exactly the same size as the top. What you working on, 𝗘𝗷𝗄𝗃?
On the frame to put the suction cup to keep the marble top stable.
Oh, very good. I love the paint color. Did a great job on the paint.
Very nice decor. That's it.
So you sanded, you applied anti-rust, and then you painted.
Yes.
And now you're applying new suction cups, and then Giuseppe is going to help you put the marble back on.
Right. Yes.
Okay. Kitchen renovation is on its way. Hey, how's it going?
It's going well. It's fresh paint.
Painting the trim for the kitchen, the outdoor kitchen, and above the cooktop you can see that it's really stained with oil and things. Of course, it hasn't been done since the original paint, so this is the first time it's been repainted, touched up. But we've got plenty of paint. Just stirred everything and got it mixed up. We're gonna do the sidewalls and above the cabinets. Of course, the cabinets turned out great in that light gray, but trim is first, and then the walls will be done with a roller, right?
Right. If somebody wants to hire a professional painter, I won't be available.
You'll be available, okay. Looking good. Wow, what a difference already. And that's just the first coat. This is our after. 𝗘𝗷𝗵𝗲𝗶 worked really hard on this outdoor kitchen. It adds square feet to where it's just about 900 square feet. And we can enjoy this kitchen for 3 seasons out of the year, spring, summer, and fall, and a little bit in the winter when it's sunny. Our view is right here, our little sitting area. I'm gonna plant geraniums and just had our garden tilled. Getting ready to plant some vegetables. But we enjoy it so much. We have the shade of the olive trees out here. But our kitchen is such a blessing. We have our air fryer, cooktop, lots of storage, big sink to do pots in. We fry fish out here quite a bit, and any kind of seafood. And this marble table is so nice. 6 chairs around, and it seats quite a bit. And then do our laundry out here, and there's the side yard. But I'll tell you, it's such a blessing to be able to have this extended kitchen. We've put together a free guide, Top 5 Mistakes People Make When Moving to Sicily. We made a few mistakes early on and we want to help you avoid them. So in this short practical guide, we walk you through the top 5 things people get wrong and what to do instead.